It looks like it is going to rain. And actually the forecast, the Department of National Disaster Coordinating Council, they send message to everyone that there is a possible flooding, something like that. Yeah, I am going back to Sydney now. My flight is tonight. Yeah, and these are the things that I have in my backpack. This is not very big, just a little bigger than the normal backpack, and all these things will go inside. So basically this one is the training manual, because I attend that training, a seminar about how to put up a travel agency. Yeah, and of course my mobile phone, my headphone, my camera, my charger, and some USB cable, this camera. Yeah, basically most of them is related about the camera, but I didn't able to use some of them properly. Yeah, and of course my passport, my deodorant, my toothbrush, my toothpaste, my wallet. I still have some Philippine peso, and this is the eyeglasses for the protection for the computer. This is the receipt of the dental operation that they did to me. Yeah, it's 91,000 pesos. Yeah, and my clothes, this the all the clothes that I have, aside from what I'm wearing now, a shirt, this and this. I just pick up this from the laundry, and I paid 120 pesos for all of them. And this is what I'm going to wear in the airplane. Yeah, these jogging pants and this Pepsi. Yeah, mate. Yeah, this apartment is nice. Yeah, basically it's like this. Let me show you. This is like a late. Okay, so basically this is the outside. In there are 6 elevators, but one is for the service, for the building owners. Yeah, so this is it. There is this thing where you can cook. There are all the equipment for cooking, utensils, cutlery, etc. It's all there inside the cabinet, down there and up there. And here there are some shelves for anything that you want to put, like water, maybe shoes. There's some magazine here. There's a sink, a refrigerator. Yeah, you can actually put a big refrigerator here. And this is the toilet, mate. Yeah, it is nice, but I prefer this one to be a glass, like a sliding glass door. Yeah, but to be honest, it looks very clean. And yeah, the sink, the floor is nice. Yeah, mate. And this is a king bed or queen bed. Yeah, very comfortable to sleep in there. My brother also come with me here, and we sleep there. And because my brother, he sleep in the wooden thing. Yeah, in the province. With this thing. Yep. And they have the TV. I don't know what is inside the drawer. Yeah, the TV has all the cable channels, so there's a lot of channel in there. Air condition. Yeah, so basically these are all the remote control, mate. And this is my favorite place. Yeah, because when you are sitting down here doing your computer, it's like you are watching the people downstairs, the cars downstairs, and everything that is happening downstairs. You're going to see it there. Yeah, nice. And actually this building that you are seeing, this is a twin of this building where I am in. Yeah, because you know this, the name of this place is Twin Oaks Tower. Yeah, yeah, that one is still doing some improvements inside. Outside it looks already done, but it's not yet. Yeah, so it is nice here in this place. This place is very accessible to the shopping mall, to the church, to the hospital, to the cheap restaurant downstairs, expensive restaurant downstairs, to the shopping mall. Yeah, to the business center. Yeah, so it is nice. I got this from AirBnB, and $35, $34, $35 per night. Yeah, the price is the same like the price of the shared hostel in Sydney. Yeah, yeah. So here is very affordable compared to Sydney. Yeah, because you know, like what I've said, the price of 6 people shared room in Sydney, maybe 10 people room in Sydney is $34. But here you can have all this studio type apartment for just $34 per night. In case you haven't experienced the Airbnb, you should try Airbnb. Yeah, I'll put the link down below and you can try. No, you can register at no cost for you. Yeah, it's free to register. And maybe you can earn more money if you register there. Yeah. Based on my observation, this Airbnb room is nice. Sometimes it's better than the hotel room. Yeah, the advantage of the hotel room may be, I don't know, nothing much, because you know, downstairs, this building is also with the complete facilities. There is swimming pool, there is gym, there is like a garden downstairs, and there are securities downstairs. There is a scanner, securities, a concierge. So it's basically like a hotel. It's a luxury residence, something like that. Yeah, I think that's it, mate. Thank you for watching, guys. Ciao. We'll see.